Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to video 6 in the series on getting started with Qlik Cloud. In the last video, I provided a comprehensive overview on using managed spaces. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style your apps. And for the first part, we're going to get started just by assigning a visually or aesthetically pleasing thumbnail. How the thumbnail looks is purely up to you and your corporate branding and design team, etc. However, I do want to show you what I do and show you how easy it is to create. Now, the tool that I use is Adobe Express Web. Now, we have a Creative Cloud license with Adobe, and one of the tools available is Adobe Express. Now, this is the free trial that I just logged into with my personal account, because you can set up a free trial and they do have some restrictions on utilizing this for free forever, but certain features might be disabled over time or not enabled at all. So I'm in my projects area in Adobe Express, and I'm going to create a new project. And you'll notice that they give you a number of different categories. For me, it's going to be custom size graphic. And then I'm going to select under popular, YouTube thumbnail. And then next. Now, they give you a number of different templates to start out from, but for me, I just want to upload a background image provided to me by my corporate branding team. So I'll select Upload Photo and select the template that I have. Now I can grab the resize handles. You can close these additional panels if necessary. And then I'm going to size it appropriately, as you see here. And that's my background. Now I'm going to add some text, and I'm just going to click Add Your Text, and then in the text box we're going to type in Getting Started. So I always like to use a bold font for the top, and our corporate policy is to use Source Sans Pro. So we will resize this, and I'm going to put it right about here. Then I'm going to add some more text. And then I'm just going to choose Source Sans without, and then edit that text here, and we'll call this one Creating a Thumbnail. Just move that out of the way here. I'm going to select from shapes. We're just going to grab a line. Change that color to white. And then resize the handle appropriately. And you can see it uses guide markers, so you can get the appropriate size if needed. You can change the opacity, the letter spacing if needed. In this case here, I just want to change the font size and make this a little bit smaller. No, not that small. Okay, so now I also want to put another graphic on this thumbnail. So I'm just going to open up a new tab and go to Google. And then I'm just going to search for thumbnail icon. Click on images. And I like this one right here, so I'm just going to right click, select copy image. And then right click here just to activate this, and then Control V on my keyboard. So now that the image has been pasted, I'm just going to select the image, and you'll notice there is a remove background button. Now, remove background I think is limited on the free trial, and sometimes it pops up a message saying that it is limited. Now I'm just going to position it right about here, and then I'm going to position my text, and you could do multi-select and you can group, or you could undo because I forgot to grab my line. So now we've grouped the entire object, and we could resize it. And there's our thumbnail. So now I'm just going to download the thumbnail, and I'll select PNG. And now I'll go to my Qlik Cloud Analytics hub, and I'll click Add New Analytics App. Just call it Creating a Thumbnail, click Create. Now when it brings you into the app, in the upper right, you have your Edit button. You can change the title and the description, but then you can click on the image placeholder to change the thumbnail. Select Upload Media. Click on the drop files here. Navigate to where you might have downloaded your thumbnail to. Click that to add it to the tile area, and then click it again with the plus. And you can see it will add the thumbnail nicely fitted for the aspect ratio. Also kind of change the background color of the banner. And now we can go back to the hub. And now you have your app with your thumbnail. Okay, so just a quick video showing you how to add a thumbnail, also showing you how to create one very quickly using Adobe Express Web. In the next video, I'm going to dive into styling more of the apps utilizing themes, as well as some of the styling capabilities that are in the sheets.